Good morning, guys. We gotta get this mess cleaned up. It's getting messy in here. I just woke up.
What mess?
This old place, man. I just woke up a couple hours ago. I've just been chilling in the bed. Now I've decided it's time to wake up, start being productive. I'm gonna remove the last of those leaves. Oh yeah, and my blue pajama pants, the harem pants. Jewel fixed them for me perfectly. Like, they were fraying everywhere, and now they're just immaculate, like when my mom made them for me. So I'm really happy about that. And I kind of want to, well, not repay the favor by removing these leaves, but I know she wants them gone. And I was removing a ton of leaves yesterday. Yeah, it's over here. We gotta get the rakes as well. Yes is helping me. I'm gonna start by removing this giant pile here. Yes is getting another wheelbarrow. Let's go. Check it out, the guys went to the recycling station and found a bunch of nice stuff we can use. All this was getting thrown out. Heavy gauge cables, copper things, furniture, plastic bins. This plastic sheet, just a bunch of good stuff for the commune. And look at these. Look at these. These are amazing.
Ja, det er cool, right?
Wow.
Er det også kobber?
Ej, hvor fantastisk.
Også de der to træer. Hold op. De er mega fede.
Det er sådan noget, min mor ville have flippet helt ud over sådan noget der. Hun elsker kobber. Alright, guys. I'm ready to go do some shopping. Me and Yes each did about 20-25 of these, full of leaves and branches. And then we transported it down here into this growing, huge compost pile. You guys don't have any clue how big this is. It's quite massive. But yeah, I'm just gonna go do some shopping, need some milk. I want a booster. I'll see you guys in a little bit. We're taking a bit of an extended break here.
Jeg tænkte også bare, jeg tænkte, at man er nok lidt nøjere over, måske nogle gange gå ind i noget, hvis man kan få taget, eller du ved, der er så mange ting, hvor lang tid
These guys are still working on gardening.
Og så kan de bare fjerne det.
I'm gonna continue collecting leaves when we're done here.
Det tror jeg faktisk ikke, det kan.
So nice. This corner, no wind.
Så burde man faktisk studere.
Feels like a month or two ahead.
Der vil nok være nogen, der ser dem som useriøst.
Like the good part of the spring. Whereas all around this place is just windy, so kind of cold. I'm so active, I keep forgetting to film all day. Look at all this I've made. Just a bunch of piles of leaves everywhere, all the way over there. And now I'm just picking them up, throwing them out. It's not really the most interesting content. I'm not gonna like do a time lapse or anything. It's pretty simple, but people seem to appreciate it already. So let's keep at it. Guys, I took a bit of a break over there around the corner. It was nice. Opened up another Faxecondi booster and check out this, guys. I have removed everything from this area. And I even sweeped all the leaves from in here out. But best of all, check this out. Looks like an actual road now. That's great, right? I still left a pile over there of some leaves that basically have been broken all the way down. But yeah, I think I've done a pretty good job. Now I just gotta take on these last few piles here. I think there's another here, and yeah. But once this place is done, I can go relax for the day, smoke and chill, and yeah, it's been a good day. People have really shown appreciation and surprise for what I've been able to accomplish today. I've just been gathering all the garbage right there. Well, let's finish this up. I've transported about 100 worth of these things, full of leaves and branches, just from this area right here. It's deceptively full of leaves in this area. Check it out over there. It's just layers upon layers. Yeah, let me finish this up, go relax. Oh yeah, and of course I've been listening to GTA Vice City radios all day, just going through all of them. Alright, I finished. Oh, let's go. It's getting dark. Oh, guys, I am done for. Ended up hanging out in the kitchen for a bit. I got some leftovers, not much, like maybe just 100 calories worth. I haven't really eaten that much since got all that meat a few days ago. I've just been feeling like I gotta fast a bit. Of course, I ate a lot yesterday. Was eat. But I am tired. I just went over to Ma's, hung out with him for a bit. I'm just done for. It's 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. now. Oh, yeah, I'm done for today. I'm just gonna be chilling here. At most, I'm gonna go grab a bowl of rolled oats later. Oh, feels good, man. It feels good to be active like this, to contribute. But damn, I've been at it all day. Like 9 hours or so. 8 hours, 9 hours. Just no breaks, just constant work. Back-breaking work, but it was great. I'll keep going until I've removed all the leaves on the property. I'm sure people will appreciate it. Yeah, see you guys. Someone turned the heating off in my room. I guess someone has a problem with me, even if I've been working all day. Someone feels the need to shut off my heat. So I'm just freezing my ass off, just staying in my sleeping bag. Gonna eat some rolled oats now, get even colder, but I got some hot tea here as well. I'm gonna try and figure out what the fuck's up with the heat tomorrow. This is, seems like some petty shit. I don't know. Like, if people got an issue with me, just speak to me, dude. Like, make it known. Because so far, everyone, one or two people may not really take too much of a liking to me, but it seems amicable, But yeah, I'm gonna get to the bottom of this tomorrow, because this isn't right. I live here like anyone else. I pay like anyone else. I contribute more than others. And yeah, of course my room should be heated. What the fuck?